Well, it is flooded here. I just tried to go live, but I'm not getting good service for some reason. I guess it's the weather. Here we go. I don't know if somebody got stuck or what. Okay, so it's slowed down raining, but you could see all the water. That is the gas station, and the grocery store parking lot is completely flooded out. This guy in his trailer is trying to turn around, and I'm looking at this flooding over here. It's crazy. I've never seen that parking lot flooded like that. It is completely covered in water. I wish I could get down there to see it. If I do, I'll show you. Close it.
Well, so the intersection is flooded right now.
Oh yeah, nobody washed away, did they?
There's a truck in the intersection, but he's staying there, so they're working on trying to get him down through here now.
Wow, thank goodness. Oh my God.
So it's up to you. It's up to you if you want to stay here and wait for traffic or if you want to turn around.
I feel like that the west split is on the going back. What is that? North? Yeah. So, yeah, at the circle. It's so washed out there. Like, I don't think that we can get back. Was it?
Yeah, so if you're going up, the left side was there. The right side was still empty.
Yeah, I don't know if
Like
I
an
can.
E-Will truck got through, but I don't know if I
Okay. I saw a guy that had gone through it in his truck, and he was just spitting out all this smoke, so I'm a lot lower than him. I should wait probably, huh? Okay, thank you. Let's see if I can get a better look at this. It's up to me. I'm going to try to go back. Everybody's turning around. Okay, so I'm on foot here. I'm going to walk down here and show you this crazy flooding
here and check out this parking lot. It's so much worse than I thought. Oh my God. Wow. This is insane. Oh my God, there's cars down there. Hold on, let me get down there. I have actually got the chills right now. This is, oh my God, this is a parking lot, and look at it. This is incredible, you guys. Incredible. Look at that tree over there. Wow. Thunder and lightning still. This is incredible rain. I've never seen flooding like this ever here in my life. And I did police work here and all kinds of accident scenes, rescue scenes. I've never seen anything like this. Look at that. I just wanted to see what this was like. It is incredible. There's a waterfall. I heard that there was a family stuck in their house too. Yeah.
Woods the same way. Water's running out of their houses.
Oh my God! Wow. Crazy. All right. Well, be safe. I'm headed back to get dry. All right.
All the rocks are out. I don't know.
Where's that one car? Oh, there's the car that I
Downhill.
saw.
Oh wow.
Yeah, starting to slow down too. That's good. Oh my God, yeah. That's incredible.
Every road you go.
I know. I can't get back up the other side. I saw a truck try to go up through there.
That guy's driving.
Oh, really?
Wow.
They're stuck?
Somebody hit a telephone pole.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Just trying to get down to Walmart.
Wow, he said there was a truck stuck in the road over here. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. There's just nowhere to go. Everybody's stopped. People keep coming down the hill because the one side's open, but they're coming from the top of the hill.
Look at this. The people's yard washed out. Just, wow. This is usually a little brook. Look at all the debris. There's a river in this person's front yard. This showed up from another yard. That's where I showed you before. It was covered with water.